puppies just wanting to say goodnight to everybody. Yes, just wanting to say goodnight. Polar bear. I think we found homes for all but two. A little black male and a little black female. They all got some new collars today. So now each one of them has a collar. Different colors. It was so hard getting ready for work this morning because they just wanted to play and I wanted to watch them. Walking so good. Watch your mama drink the water. We're not able to leave Diamond's water in with her or her food because this morning one of the puppies got into the water, came home, and the puppy was in the water bowl, and then they turned over the food bowl twice. So now I have to let Diamond out of her little area so she can eat and drink her water. If you can hear her, she was thirsty. Three weeks old. Pretty big for 3 weeks, I think. Well, I thought they were ready to lay down and go to sleep, but I guess not. I think they're just getting started. Joji in the background. That's our little Yorkshire. Funny when they bite each other's noses. puppies. Saying goodnight. I'll probably be howling again here in a minute, looking for Diamond. They don't let her out of her sight for very long without some howling going on. Okay, everybody. Good night. Good night.